The world is full of potential, untapped, unseen, waiting to be unlocked. But potential doesn't unlock itself. The world is full of potential, untapped, unseen, waiting to be unlocked. But potential doesn't unlock itself. Children and families don't just need information. They need belief, tools, and someone who sees them for what they could be. That's why I Am Academy exists. We're not just another program, we're a movement. A place where challenges become opportunities, and where students learn the skills, confidence, and resilience to not just survive, but thrive. We give kids the tools to navigate life, not just tests. And we show parents how to rise alongside them, creating the foundation for generational change. This isn't about fixing people, it's about seeing them, seeing their stories, their struggles, and their potential, and giving them the platform to step into their greatness. I Am Academy isn't just here to educate, we're here to transform. This is where potential becomes possibility. This is where futures are reimagined. This is I Am Academy.